Today we have a 2008 Acura TL. We'll be replacing the heater valve located right in the back here. Sorry, there's a plane coming over. Right down there. As you can see, there's a little residue there from a little leaking. So first thing you're going to want to do is to remove all these little covers that cover the top here. I already done so. Just pull them off, and some of them will have some little clips and stuff. This one just didn't have any of that. So go ahead and remove all that. With the number 10, I'm going to remove this as well as this bracket here. And then also you're going to want to push this tab here to remove this whole entire fuse box out the way. We're going to remove this entire cross member here, number 12, 3 on each end. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that just to free up our area so we can easily get inside there. Also, there is one more number 10 here. I forgot to mention that you got to remove in order to get this out the way. So now that we have all the room in the world to get back here, we're going to start by sliding this off, so we can slide this off of here. We might be able just to, yep, we can. So we'll just go ahead and do that. Just slide that off the valve. They're held in place by these two Phillip head screws here. So go ahead and remove that just so I can swing it outward. And then from there, we're just going to take the clamps off and do the little switcheroo. Okay, guys, so we've got our old one removed here. As you can see, it's leaking right there. Notice that there is a directional arrow on here. So the new one I've already popped in there. Pretty much if you pop off the hose going to the heater core, you can kind of manipulate this up to get a little more space to work with it. It'd probably be easier to remove the hose to the heater core versus on the valve, so you have more play, but either or still works. So yeah, just keep in mind the arrow. This goes towards the heater core. So let's go ahead and pop this in and we'll be finished. Okay guys, so our new one is installed. This one I did have to readjust this cable, but it's okay. It only, goes two ways, all the way open or all the way closed. So it stops when it's all the way open and it stops when it's all the way closed. So there's no like minor adjustment things. It's pretty much just moving the cable over. As you can see, there's like a little mark here from the clamp. All you gotta do is flick this up and pretty much holds like so. So yeah, as you can see, that's where the old one is, like up to here. I moved it down a little bit, but this thing only opens all the way and closes all the way, so can't go wrong. But that's pretty much it. So everything else, we just gotta close up, put everything back together, and we're done. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.